we keep on saying to him.
Oh, you might join us. Put up and I'm famous. Party like I'm Vegas. Yeah, the alcohol made us.
Alright, what's going on, guys? Today, here for Rapid Fire, we're at the Fort Eustis Gym, Anderson Fieldhouse, and basically today we do a little bit of back, legs, but right here is shoulder scapulation. So basically, when you do your shrugs, you want to squeeze your traps and your lats together and hold for 2 to 3 seconds. Basically, this is to engage your lats, your rear deltoids, and basically a great warm-up for your back. This is something that I normally do. As far as the warm-up, with the bar behind your back, you want to have it right under your buttocks, and then you want to pull it up to the small of your back. So you don't want to use a lot of weight for that exercise. Moving on, here is just your standard hang clean. So what you want to do is start at your waist, and if the weight is heavy, don't be afraid to go down. Here it's pretty light for me, but I'm still getting a workout because I still have to go through the movement. And basically you just want to bring it up and snap your elbows underneath, right? Also, here we go straight into a back squat, and all you want to do is keep your head out and your chest up. Every time I squat, you see me put my head up. That's to keep the pressure and also keep your back straight. My feet are also spread apart with my toes pointing outward. That is just to keep balance so I don't fall over. And of course, weights had no feelings. I just throw the shit down and we get ready to go into the next exercise. So we're at Anderson Fieldhouse, Fort Eustis. Come get some. So we're at Anderson Fieldhouse, and what's going on, guys? We're at Anderson Fieldhouse. We're gonna work on some deadlifts, upright rows, some trap work, a little stuff. But I came across this bad boy here. Okay. Came across this bad boy here. So this is a military sled, right? And basically you have your functions: 1, 2, 3, and neutral, 1, 2, and 3, and then you can put your weights on there, right? So we're gonna do a couple test runs. So here we came across we got the Torque Fitness sled. It has your levers and your gears, neutral, 1, 2, and 3, and all of them have your different resistance. So you really don't even have to put weight on it. You see how hard, you see my calves popping, right? Yeah. So that's top 3. I mean, that's the highest level 3. So now we go down to 2 and 1, just to show y'all that y'all don't need any weight to do this. So here, when I change it down, you see that I move a little bit faster. And when you get to the end, catch your breath, get yourself together, and then go straight back. So this is just a simple workout for any of you guys who are at the house and don't know what to do. Just find anything to do. Just get moving and get going. Ain't nobody gonna judge you. And if anybody is judging you, fuck them, because their ass ain't out here training. We trying to get motivated, spread this love. Here you see I go back, gotta get myself together, and I go back forward again. Moving on to our next sets. I think I do 4 iterations of the sled, and then I move into chest. So here's your standard Pec Fly machine. We have 45 pounds on each side, And all we're basically trying to do is just go ahead and get a good squeeze. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do 2 variation grips. One is like for normal bench, and then you're gonna use your inner grip here. So this is grip for your flat, this is grip for your inner. So we do both. Here when you do chest, I come all the way down, but I never lock out. I always keep 3/4 resistance, because that always keeps pressure on your chest. Excuse me, resistance on your chest. Every time you lock out, you take that resistance off your chest at the top and at the bottom of every motion. Here I go through narrow grip and wide grip bench press. So wide grip is for your outer chest, and then your narrow grip is for your inner chest. It's weight dependent. I always do 4 sets, 20, 15, 12, 10 reps for all of these. Fucking leg machines for about 3 years. Last time I seen one was at Fort Carson. My nigga Alex know. Oh, guess what? Today is legs now. Buzz chest. And thank y'all for following, liking my content. We're here at Anderson Fair House. Since I found my leg machine, oh, stay tuned. Oh, I'm about to kill leg now. Lord have mercy. I've been looking for this since 2015. This is one of the best leg machines, I think, in the world. I'm about to put it up to videos and show y'all what we're about to do.
On saying to her, oh, you might join us. Pull up and I'm famous. Party like I'm Vegas. Yeah, they'll